in order to move the file pointer, there is a built-in function by the name seek, and the seek function should be called using this variable name. Okay, so fs.seek. Now the seek function takes two arguments. The second argument is known by the name whence. Let me type it for you. Okay, so the second argument is known by the name whence, and the possible values of the second argument are 0 or 1 or 2. If the second argument is 0, that is, if whence is taken as 0, the meaning is beginning of the file. If whence is written as 1, meaning the current file pointer position, and if whence is written as 2, meaning end of the file. So whence three possible values are there: 0, 1 or 2. Okay, so by default it is 0. So if you don't write the second argument, by default it is 0. The first argument is known by the name offset. Let me type it for you. Okay, so offset. Now if I write 0, 0, the second argument whence is 0, meaning beginning of the file. So how does the movement of the file pointer take place? From the beginning of the file, the pointer is moved by 0 characters forward or 0 bytes forward, which means the file pointer is at the beginning of the file. Why did I interchange character and byte? It is internationally accepted standard. One character means 1 byte. Okay, so understand the meaning of the statement. The second argument is 0, meaning beginning of the file. So from the beginning of the file, the pointer is moved by 0 characters forward or 0 bytes forward, which means now the file pointer is at the beginning of the file. After that, if you read the data, the complete data present in the file a.txt will be read, that is stored in the string variable, and that is displayed in the computer's monitor. Okay, so 0, 0. Now if I don't write the second argument, by default it is 0, so no need to write the second argument 0. Let me run the program and check the answer. You can see the answer successfully displayed in the computer's monitor. We are students of class 12. Okay, so this is how you move the file pointer. Now more about fs.seek, more about the seek function in the next video tutor.